a truck stop in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dan. I put a quarter in that jukebox, played a song about that truck driving man. The waitress then brought me some coffee. I thanked her, then called her again. I said that old song fits me, 'cause I'm an 18-wheeling man. Play another couple. My old semi, and just like a flash I was gone. Got them old 18-wheel rolling, I'm on my way back home. So call me another cup of that coffee, for it is the best in the band. I'll put a quarter in that jukebox and play that truck driving man. Yeah! I said, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a quarter in that jukebox and play that truck driving man. I put a quarter in that jukebox and play that truck